Alright, so this is gonna be an unboxing of an order that I got from King's Fish. I ordered this last week, so it finally came in today. I was just outside showering some snow. We just got probably about 5 inches of snow today. And I was out there, and I'm a little bit exhausted right now, so sorry about that. But I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Alright, so here it is. Some paper towel, paper tissue. First thing I order, Extreme Community Pellets. Man, this thing's huge. Next one, let's see. We got decapsulated brine shrimp, half a pound. Very nice. You wouldn't even have to hatch your own brine shrimp anymore. This thing will basically feed your fish. I might do a review on it later. And we got King's Premium Catfish Pellets. Perfect for my bottom feeder cories and catfish. It's half a pound. And here I ordered 1 pound, so here's another half a pound. There's a lot in here. Order a gauge, 4-way gauge here. And let's see what we have here. Woo! We have silicone airline. I'm gonna start using some of this stuff because the regular airline is not that good, and this is more flexible, so I'll be using this and pretty much all my tanks. Lots of them here. We have a thermometer here. Another one. And we have my heater here. I'll do another separate unboxing of it. And we also have another airline with a valve here for some reason. Might be for some other component. And we have in here, this is the egg tumbler. It's all wrapped in here. In here we have the Cordon breather bag. Woo! Let's see what else we have in here. Nice piece of Malaysian driftwood. Wow, it's huge. This is gonna go to my 10-gallon tank. Another thermometer. And fluoro shrimp net. You can adjust it, I guess. And we have a Hurricane Category 2 Deep Blue Battery Backup Air Pump. Pretty neat. In case my air pump dies on me or something, I can use this. And that's pretty much all.